Then
Good morning.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Keep your cameras on. Switch on your cameras. Switch on your cameras. I hope you can see here. Is it visible? What is the date today? Because it's the Is it visible? Let me check it. Wait a
No,
second.
ma'am.
It's not visible. Yeah, I think it's visible. You can see the date over there, right?
Ma'am, see the date.
What, beta? You can see the date, I think so, from there. Is it so? Are you able to see the date? Are you
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
see the date?
Yes,
Now tell me what we were doing in the previous class. What we were doing in the previous class?
ma'am. Multiply of money chapter. Yes, ma'am.
Multiplication, we have to start with the multiplication. We have to start with multiplication, right? And keep your
Ma'am,
cameras on. I think you forgot the rule
ma'am.
to keep your cameras on. You should keep your cameras on. Arjun, Arif, Shaurya, Tanmay, Adya, Noel, keep your cameras on. Yes, very good. And keep it on during the whole class. Nobody is allowed to switch off their cameras. Okay. I think it would be visible if I stand this side. Wait a second. Keep your cameras on by the time. Keep your cameras on. And this is the rule that you have to keep your cameras on. That's it. So, yes, we were doing multiplication. Have I taught you about the multiplication? मैंने आपको बताया था how to do multiplication, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
taught you.
ma'am.
Fahad, please change your name. Change your name, Fahad, right now. Okay, let me teach you once again. मैं फिर से बता रही हूँ about. Wait a second. Yes. Let me teach you about multiplication once again. ठीक है? Okay, multiplication. Suppose money is some money given to you. Rupees. Wait a second. Fahad, open your camera. Noel, open your camera. You can't switch off your cameras. Keep your cameras on. Okay. See now. Now, if you have to multiply rupees 36.19 multiply by 4. Let it be 42. Let it be 42. 36.19 multiplied by 42. Then how will you multiply it? You will write 36.19 in the same way, like rupees, and then you will multiply by 42. बेटा
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
सी बेटा यहाँ पर आप ऐसे समझोगे कि पॉइंट है ही नहीं.
Ma'am.
What happened? What happened? Any problem? Any problem?
The voice.
My voice what? Are you able to hear me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I stand here. See here. First, you have to multiply by 2, this whole number. You have to multiply by 2. And this whole number you have to multiply by 4. Do not think that there is any point in between. हमें ये नहीं देखना कि बीच में कोई point है भी या नहीं है. Okay? We will not see any point in between. We'll just multiply 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry over. 2 3s are 6 and 1 7. Then put a cross over here. Now multiply this whole number by 4. 4 9s are 36. 6 will be carried over here. 1. Oh, sorry. Let's rub these all the carryovers. Let's rub the carryovers. 9 4s are 36. 3 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 3. 7. And 4 6 are 24. 4. And 2 will be carried over here. 4 3s are 12 plus 2. 40. So now let's add it. And then the next step is to add them. How to add them? See, 8, 6, 3, 9, 7, 2, 9, 7, 4, 11, 5, 1. Then what you have to do, you have to put one rupee sign over here. That's it. बस यहाँ पर रुपी साइन लिखना है और लास्ट 2 digits से 1 2 digits से पहले आपको put a 1 point over here. You have to put before 2 digits. You have to put a point. Why? Because before 2 digits here point is there. Understood? जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. The difference, where is the difference? Where is the difference here? Tell me. Beta, please keep your cameras on. Fahad, keep your camera on. This is not the way you are sitting behind the camera either. Please keep your cameras on.
Ma'am,
What?
we multiplied, we have to put.
Somebody is asking something. Who's this? What happened, beta?
Madhishika.
Adeshika, what are you asking? Nadeshka, why are you attending the classes after such a long time? Adeshika is not here. No, she's not here. Fahad, Kartik, Shaurya, Avika, Shrishti, Shransh, Pratishtha, please keep your cameras on. I need not to say this again and again.
Ma'am, we have written in the WhatsApp.
You have written in the WhatsApp. What you have written? Let me check it. Wait a second.
Ma'am, please get right.
Okay, Shaurya. Okay, beta. All right. Shaurya and Apurva, I got the name.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Abhi, I'm sending you. Wait. Now you have to start the find the product. Give me a minute. I'm just opening the since you were not able to see this. Wait a second. Pictures. Okay, chapter 12 money. Find the product you have to do now. 12.2. Now take out your maths fair notebooks. A new page in your maths fair notebooks. Take out your maths fair notebooks. A new page in your maths fair notebook and start doing this. Yeah, I'm showing. Beta, here is it. Start doing these questions. Start doing these questions in your maths fair notebook.
Ma'am, I am written on WhatsApp.
What happened, beta? Any problem or any issue to anyone? I hope you can see the screen. You can start doing it.
Jesus.
Nihit, what happened?
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
You can't see the screen. Beta, please log in again and check. Please log in again and check why you are not able to see the screen. Once you complete it, you just tell me, okay? Let me take the test. Everyone? Anyone has done? Yes, beta.
I've done. I said I have done. Ma'am, we have to send this work on WhatsApp.
हाँ बेटा चलो don't send it. Don't send it. Starting ones can send, but जो delete कर रहे हैं, don't send because we have to move further also. Okay, हमें next question भी करना है. So be quick. This is which class going on? This is 4th A, I think so. है ना? 4th A ना ये? Okay, yesterday was 5th of 5th. Today is 6th of 5th. Okay. Those who are present, let me see the participant list. Okay. I'm going to keep you, all of you, for a mute for 1 minute, okay? Just yes, sorry, beta, it was disconnected. Again, I'm going to share the screen with you all. Yes, here's the screen. I don't know how it got disconnected. Okay, Advika present. Advika present. Adya, Madhav present. Adya. There are so many students today. Yesterday there were so many less students. Arjun, kal tum bhi nahi the. Where were you?
Ma'am, because yesterday was combined class.
Why yesterday was not combined class? Day before yesterday it was combined class. Avika, Karthik, Nihit, Noel, Karthik, Nihit. How many of you have done this? Shall I proceed to the next question? Noel, Pratishtha.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, please.
Okay. Riddhi, Shaurya, Ganwar, Srishti Gupta, Shreyanshu, Virat. Tanmay was also present. Now he is not present.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Done, everyone? Those who have done, they can send. Those who have done, they can send me the answer. Those who have done, they can send me the answer. Just quickly send me your answers. And be quick, everyone. Nihit. How many of you have done? Tell me your names. How many of you have done? Tell me your names. Name bolo beta, name. Tell me your name. I'm not able to see whose mic is opened. Okay, Arjun has sent me the answer. Okay, Arjun, let me check your answer. Arjun, I got your answer, beta. Wait a second, Arjun. Okay, Arjun. First answer is 146. First answer, Arjun, you are putting the rupees sign on the wrong side. You are putting the rupees sign on the wrong side. आपको rupees sign जो है पहले लगाते हैं. Okay, this is not the way. और आपने जब क्वेश्चन लिखा है तब भी आपने रुपीज साइन पुट नहीं किया है. So, बेटा उसको भी ठीक करो. सेकेंड आंसर इज करेक्ट. थर्ड is correct. Very good, Arjun. Fourth one is also correct. Very good, Arjun. All the answers are correct.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, please see, I have already.
Okay, beta. One of you have sent me, but I am not getting. Wait a second. Wait a second, because my network is slow here. Okay, Pratishtha sent me. Pratishtha, beta, first answer is correct. Beta, you have, ठीक है. Second answer is correct. Third one is correct. And the fourth one is also, beta, fourth one is wrong, Pratishtha. You have done some mistake in adding. You have done some mistake in addition. Nihit, your first one is correct. Second one, Nihit, I must say your handwriting is going bad these days. Second is correct, Nihit. Third is, beta, third wala wrong hai, Nihit. Third is wrong, Nihit. Fourth one is correct. Third one is wrong, Nihit. Correct it. I hope you all are getting my voice. Nihit, third answer is wrong. I got the answers of 3 students, Arjun, Pratishtha, and Nihit. And those who have done wrong, just correct it beta once. Jaldi finish it. I'm giving you 5 more minutes to complete it. After 5 minutes, everyone should complete it. It's 9:23 going on. I'll start to divide now. Please both of them. Be quick, everyone. And if you face any problem, you can ask me. Okay. I'm giving you 2 more. Now you have 5 more minutes. Within 5 minutes, 9:30, I'll just start sharing you the answer. The one who sent me the answer, just tell me that, ma'am, I have sent the answer. Anybody who has done? Anybody who has done? Are you all getting my voice? Is it breaking?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, beta. Have you sent it?
Ma'am,
Okay. Be quick, everyone. Done? Sent it? Let me check the answers. Nobody has sent me at now. Beta, 2 minutes are left. After 2 minutes, I'll start telling you the answers. Enough. Enough time I have given to you. Just be quick. Done? Okay, enough time I have given to you. Time is up. I hope everyone has done it. Who has not done it? किसने नहीं किया अभी भी? Okay, one more picture I got from Shaurya. Shaurya बेटा handwriting बहुत गंदी होती जा रही है Shaurya. आप पहले जैसे काम नहीं कर रहे हो. जब से आप कैमरा स्विच ऑफ करने लगे हो तब से आप अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे हो.
Ma'am, I have done the work and sent it also on the group.
Shaurya, beta, your third answer is wrong. Shaurya, your third answer is wrong. Okay, let me show you the answers. Shaurya, your last one is also wrong, beta. Okay, Virat. First ठीक है Virat. Second ठीक है. Third वाला भी ठीक है Virat. Fourth वाला भी ठीक है. Very good. All are correct. Very good, Virat. Apurva, your first one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. And the last one is also correct. Very good, Apurva. Okay. So here it is. All of you have done this. Now I'm going to show you the answers. So see the answers of this question. Let me show you the answers of this question. Wait a second. Where check it. Some of you have not done it correctly. Just check the answers. Let me explain you the question answers here. See everyone. 2089 multiply 0.80 multiplied by 7. Everyone has done this correctly.
Coming.
I have seen this. Everyone has done this correctly. 14628.60. Second one, I think this one also most of you have done it correctly. Most of you have done it correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
In third one, most of you have done the mistake. See, 8 5s are 40. 4 will be carry over here. 8 2s are 16. Wait a second. Yes, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. Wait a second. Wait a second. What is this? 8 5s are 40. Then 4. Yes, 4 will be carried over here. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. 0 here and 2 will be carried over here. जब 2 carry होगा 8 zeros are 0 and then 2 8 zeros are 0 plus 2 okay then again 8 zeros are 0 then 8 fours are 32
Hello, why is it not coming?
बेटा it will break a little bit थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे दो बेटा ठीक है it will break a little bit but I hope you can see my screen you can check from the screen. If my voice breaks, you can check from the screen. Okay. So next one is 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, again 2 zeros are 0 and 2 4s are 8. Now keep, when you add it, you will get the number as rupees 112007.00. Okay. Got it?
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Okay, beta. Now I'll see it afterwards. Everyone, have you seen the answers? Shall I stop sharing the answers now? You can take a screenshot if you want.
Yes, ma'am.
You can take the screenshot of these answers if you want. Okay. So shall I stop sharing? Shall I stop sharing now? Yes or no, beta? Respond me something so that I can know what is going on. Are you able to hear my voice or not? Are you able to hear my voice?